This message has been transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. We have made this broadcast to issue a civil danger warning. At 11:14 a.m., there have been several reportings of a strange, tall, 8 feet tall, creature breaking into people's homes. The creature appears to have 2 heads, one of them being upside down. It also has a strange twisting body of some sort. This thing also has glowing faces. Anyways, stay tuned for more updates on this dangerous situation. This message has been transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. The creature that has been breaking into people's homes is now breaking into other buildings such as malls, supermarkets, hotels, and hospitals. It also seems to tear people's heads out. That's horrifying. It has also been seen roaming around at night. In order to prevent this creature from entering your home, lock all doors and windows. It usually goes through houses with lights on. The creature will now be called as Twisted. Stay tuned for more updates on this life-threatening situation. This message has been transmitted at the request of the civil authorities. Twisted has been seen possessing firearms in its hand. It is now shooting windows and people. It's now capable of hearing this broadcast. We will not be making this quiet. Run.
You killed him. I can still see you.
TF was that? Oh crap, the fucking thing is in our building. No. Speaks through hallway. Okay, I found a hiding place. He got a gun and you beating people's heads off. No.
All is dead.